Hello again, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another Teamgate CRM video. I'm Andrew, CEO over at Teamgate CRM. Today, I just want to show you a new feature release, which you may have already seen in your accounts, and it is our exclusion filters. So let's jump into the system. So you can do this in either the leads, companies, people, deals, any area in Teamgate where you can filter. And if you open the filters like I have here, you'll see a new checkbox which has the words exclude. So some use cases for this new feature could be if someone has unsubscribed from your emails and they have an unsubscribe tag. If you only want to email certain lead statuses, so let's say you didn't want to email new leads, you only wanted to email leads with follow-ups that you've already started engaging, we could go through and we could exclude certain fields. So let's go ahead and exclude unsubscribe. So all I need to do is select that field and check the exclude button, and then we'll also exclude the new lead status and apply that. And now I have a segmented list which I can bulk email, and I know that I am not going to be contacting those unsubscribed leads or those new leads which we haven't engaged yet. So that's all for today. If you've got any feedback on the new feature or you want to see anything else, please like and comment. And as always, hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss these videos in the future. Until next time, go out there and crush your sales.